Greenland, I know, but on a budget, yes, it's possible. First up, Nuuk. Yeah, it's the capital, but don't freak out, it's doable. For lodging, think hostels, people. They're your new best friend. Clean, safe, and you meet other adventurers, always a plus. Food? Hit up the grocery stores, stock up on essentials, and cook some meals at the hostel. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Plus, exploring the city on foot? Free and awesome. Check out the colorful houses, the National Museum of Greenland. Soak it all in. Next, we're heading to Illicit. This place is Iceberg Central, and yeah, it's as mind-blowing as it sounds. Look, flights here can be pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but once you're here, there are ways to make it work. Look for guest houses or homestays. More authentic experience anyway, am I right? Food-wise, street food is your jam. Find those local vendors, grab some fresh fish and chips, maybe some reindeer if you're feeling adventurous. Chapter 3. Qaqortoq, small town charm, big savings. Now we're going off the beaten path a bit to Qaqortoq. This town is all about that small town charm, and guess what? That means smaller prices too. Look for guest houses here or even consider camping. It's totally doable and adds to the adventure. Food, hit up the local markets, stock up on fresh produce, maybe some local specialties. Trust me, you'll find something delicious. Chapter 4. Tasiilaq Huskies and hiking on a dime. Alright, buckle up because Tasiilaq is where it's at for outdoor enthusiasts. Dog sledding? Check. Hiking? Double check. And the best part? You can do it all without breaking the bank. Look for hostels or guest houses here and pack some snacks for those hikes. Trust me, the views are worth it. And for a truly unforgettable experience, try a home-cooked meal with a local family. Chapter 5. Tasiilaq, Eastern Beauty on a Shoestring. Last but not least, we're heading east to Tasiilaq. This place is a hidden gem with stunning fjords and glaciers, and guess what? It's surprisingly affordable. Look for guest houses or homestays and embrace the local way of life. Food-wise, try some traditional Greenlandic cuisine. It's an experience in itself. Trust me, you won't regret it. So there you have it, my friends. Greenland on a budget, totally doable. Remember, it's all about being resourceful, being open to new experiences, and embracing the adventure. Now go book that trip. Let me know in the comments what your favorite place was. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.